Meet me again, Sherry Melina, in the About News edition of Wednesday, 12 December 2023, to describe the most actual and reliable news. Being crowded December 12 is not only a national online shopping day, but also a moment for the return of TikTok Shop after it had disappeared. Now customer can check out or buy product through the TikTok application. Then what is the fate of local UMKM? The sellers are again scattered to peddle their product through live streaming on their TikTok account. After more than 2 months of closure, the TikTok Shop shopping service feature is back in operation by cooperating with domestic e-commerce as its partner. The difference is that there are no more imported goods at super cheap prices as before. The government is trying to regulate so that it does not kill local product.
Bahkan kita berharap dalam platform digital itu kita bisa menyerbu pasar internasional, bisa go global itu ya. Oleh karena itu kita tata dan mudah-mudahan 1-2 hari ini udah selesai nih. Nah, saya kira teman-teman besok sudah bisa jualan lagi, mudah-mudahan ya.
Traders in the Tanah Abang market are living witnesses in the midst of the onslaught of online shopping. With the reopening of the TikTok shop, how do merchants respond?
Kemarin sih pas ditutup kita agak lumayan meningkat ya, tapi nggak begitu tinggi, paling cuma 10-5%. Tapi dengar-dengar semalam hari ini dan buka lagi ya, mau gimana lagi ya, terimalah.
Kurang senang. Kalau bisa TikTok itu seperti semula lagi dengan sesuai fungsinya zaman dulu itu yang seperti pertama dia keluar.
Ada dampak, cuman kalau yang kemarin-kemarin ada sih. Tapi kalau kita kebanyakannya offline.
That's roughly the opinion local UMKM in Tanah Abang. Even though there is now a shift in the times. More people like to shop online, but in fact are still figures in Tanah Abang whose sales are more crowded offline than online. Even so, now Tanah Abang tends to be quiet. That's all the news we can convey today. I am Sherry Melina as the host at About News. Thank you and see you at the same time and even tomorrow.